Hello, it's Demian from the project. Today we are going to upgrade the recliners in the 2003 Pasadena RV. These recliners are a little small for me. We prefer to have a 3-fold sofa couch instead to watch TV and to reuse the space in a better way. I'm going to show you how we can take these recliners out and we can install the new sofa inside. In here, the first step is we are going to start taking out the back of the sofa by pressing a lock that is on both sides right here and unlock the back part of the sofa to get on the bottom and be able to unscrew the whole part out. Here is the lock that we pull out on both sides. That is locking here on this piece and release the back of the couch. At this time we are going to unscrew these 4 Phillips screws. They are here on the back of the seat, and 2 also that they are on the front to release the seat from the floor. Now that we lose the right side of the couch, we are going to do the same with the left side. First we are going to take the back part, and then with the access to the bottom we are going to unscrew that 4 Phillips screws to leave the couch loose. Now that we took all 8 screws out and we have the couch not attached to the floor, we are going to take the piece, this bottom piece, apart to take it out from the RV because it's a big piece, heavy, and I don't want to damage the recliner or any piece in the RV. I recommend to use friends, family members, anyone who can help, because you are going to need 2 people to take this piece out of the RV. I found when we move the couch that these plastic legs mark the vinyl flooring, okay, and the new couch is not reaching all the way. In order to take these marks from the floor, we are going to heat gun the mark, okay, the dent, and with a spoon we are going to massage here the damaged piece until the dent is gone. To disconnect the center console, we are going to take this screw out and one on the bottom. Okay, we have the new sofa in place. Again, I'm going to repeat that. We highly recommend help. The sofa is heavy, and in order not to damage the sofa or the RV, 4, 6, or 8 hands are needed to put the sofa inside. We realized that the manufacturer of the new sofa never sent us hardware to attach the sofa to the floor. We are going to use these galvanized L's that we bought in Home Depot to put 2 in each side and attach them to the floor using the same screws that we had for the old recliners, and wood screws for the side to attach to the new sofa. Okay, we have the couch now open. Very easy to open and close. Time of the job, 3 hours. I'm very happy with the results. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to our videos by pressing the subscribe button on the bottom of the screen, and I will see you next time.